Shenzhen HY Precision Products Company was founded 2003 years. This is a die casting factory that provides one-stop production services. Since its inception, HY Casting has been providing one-stop customized services for zinc and aluminum alloy die casting in the fields of medium and high-end consumer electronics, medical and beauty care, automotive, and smart home. With its excellent die casting production technology and rich experience in project production, we work with customers around the world, mainly in the United States and Western Europe. We have an independent mold department with masters who have 10 years of experience in mold design and manufacturing. The factory has 10 sets of fully automated die casting machines with a daily output of up to 300,000 pieces. HY Casting focus on team building and training. Team members work with strong initiative and strong customer-oriented service consciousness. HY Casting provides one-stop production services from mold design, mold manufacturing, die casting, deburring, typing, polishing, electroplating, paint, CNC and other processes. HY Casting has a complete quality control system and independent laboratory equipment, and has passed the ISO 9001 certification and IATF 16949 certification. HY Casting implements standardized, date-based production and management policies, always customer-oriented and creating value for customers.